Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're enjoying this, drop a like and hit subscribe to stay tuned for more. Let's go. Resistance bands are a game changer for a full body workout. First, let's start with the basics. For your legs, try squats with the band around your thighs. This adds resistance and really targets your glutes and quads. Next, for your upper body, grab the band and do some chest presses. Anchor it behind you and push forward. Feel that burn in your chest and shoulders. For your back, seated rows are fantastic. Sit on the floor, wrap the band around your feet and pull towards you. It's like a mini gym right at home. Don't forget your core. Try banded Russian twists. Hold the band with both hands and twist side to side. This full body routine can be done in just 30 minutes, and it's perfect for all fitness levels. Plus, it's super portable. Take it anywhere. So grab those bands and let's get moving.